Then check this out.
Ready now?
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digi Affiliate. And today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using my lead gen secrets. And now the reason that we promote the $25 business is because of this affiliate system, which is 80% recurring income. Every product is 80% income, and the one we promote has 2 recurring products. So we get paid every single month, which I think is absolutely fantastic. So if you're interested in following along, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. Okay, so the first thing and foremost, let's look and see if we got a sale here. It looks like we did get a sale yesterday, but we're gonna refresh the page to make sure you guys see real results. I'm refreshing the page for you guys because it's very easy to make this look like whatever I want to do. And I know you guys know that. All right, it looks like we did get a sale yesterday.
Nice.
Absolutely fantastic. That is absolutely fantastic. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is get your link, guys. What we're gonna do now is get your link. Sorry for the brain fart for a second there. But anyway, we're gonna get your link, and this is the link that I personally use. But you can use any link here if you want. This is the one I use. It seems to work for me. All right, guys. So if you're interested, what you do, you go to the links in the description below. You're gonna see something that says incomespeech.com. All right, you click on that link. It's gonna take you to this page here. This page here is the sales page, sales letter. Basically, it just talks about the product itself and what it is, the $25 business, and what it is a funnel builder. It's actually a good product. It's a funnel builder with no real limitations, $25 a month. Anybody that make funnel builders know that's a fantastic deal. Also, they give to charity if you're interested in that. They give to Feed My Starving Children charity. They donate whatever they can to it. And so this company is pretty easy to use. Also, it's very easy to cancel your orders and stuff like that. You just go to the page, cancel. You won't have any surprise like payments that you don't want to happen. You know what I mean? So this is a very legitimate company and very for you. You know, very for you, because company don't want to trick anybody into doing stuff they don't really want to do or paying what they don't really pay. Usually you can get your refund if you accidentally pay too much, stuff like that. But anyway, guys, so like I stated before, you interested, what you do, you're going to click on yes I want in, right? Click on that. Click on yes I want in. Hold on, there we go. And then you just put in your information here, very basic information here. $25 per month, guys. And what happens is I keep $20 of that $25. One more thing I want to inform you on. This product here is HBA Premium. This is traffic. All right, guys, this is traffic that's constantly updated every week, so to speak, based on what changes. If something changes, like say Facebook or TikTok, something changes on it, like they got a new rule or something, it changes. Make sure you understand, hey, these new rules, don't do this, don't do that, stuff like that. Just training on how to set up ads. And yeah, so what you want to do, also there's a AI content creation machine I forgot to mention, and you could try it out for 2 weeks for absolutely free. Now the coolest part about this, guys, if you manage to get a sale within those 2 weeks, you can keep that money even though you haven't paid for this product. So, which is really cool. So you can get some free money once you get the sale in it if you click on this. There's literally no reason not to click on this, guys. No reason at all. All right, so anyway, you go in, you click in, you want the stuff, you log in, get your links, right? All right, so now you need a way to promote it, and the absolute easy and simplest way to promote it I found, and which works for me in particular, is my lead gen. All right, so that's gonna be the second link in my description there. You can just click on it. It's gonna take you to a page look something like this. You're gonna have to make an account, but I just log in real quick, right? Log in real quick. and it's gonna take you to a page look something like this. It's gonna give you information on stuff. So what we're gonna do is go to the mailing system. That's what you want to go to here. Basically, what my lead gen secrets is, you get 100 leads every single day, guys. 100 leads every single day. They're all interested in making money, but they're very cold leads. So you could get it, but one thing I will say, you can get a sale. I got a ton of leads now, but you guys can get a sale with just 100 leads. I've done it before. I've gotten sales as soon as I made an account. I got multiple accounts in this. I think it's, and I think I got 10 accounts because it works. It just works for me, guys. I used to use it to promote ClickBank. Now I promote this product with it, with this particular account. I use the other accounts to promote other stuff, but I use this account for this. But anyway, once you open this account, right, you go in like this, and what you want to do is have an email in there. See, once you have emails, you just click on one, send it. That's all you gotta do. But what we're gonna do instead, we're gonna use ChatGPT to give us another email. So we're gonna go to ChatGPT and log in real quick. I thought I was already logged in. I'm sorry about that. Take a second here to log in. Now look at all our previous information here. All right, so these are the emails I've been using here. We're gonna just copy and make another email. Simple as that. Paste. I'm gonna keep on. All right, so basically we're just gonna copy this email here. Post it in there. And we're gonna delete this. Also gonna delete this. Don't need it. All we need is the body of the. So we just copy it. Post it in that. Copy the link, copy. Paste the link right here. So we just got to edit it a little bit here. We're gonna bold it as well. And out this. Boom, boom. This. Here. A couple of things we need to do. It does not work with emojis, so don't all the emojis out. Also, what I want to do is isolate and bold it. Just isolate and underline. All right. Isolate this. I'm gonna bold this. Bold it. I wanna bold you. I might change the number a little bit. That's a little low. Let's put it like 1.5. Put it a little higher. Oh, you know what? I know it's cool. I just pick. There we go. It sounds realistic, but not ridiculous, you know. But I need it a little higher to, convince people to try this out. You know what I mean? So we're gonna do that. Do right there. Just edit it the way you want it to be edited, guys, and then you figure that out, right? So one more thing you need to do if you copy and paste an email into the system, guys, one more thing you want to do is you need to have it reorganize itself and make sure it's in the right spot. So it's boom, like that. That's all you need to do for every line. Make sure it works for you guys. Trust me, you want to do this just to not have to deal with that problem, right? All you gotta do is backspace, just move it a little bit so it can. What it's doing is popping itself in place of the system. Because if it's in a different spot, you'll get an error. Popping itself the right space. So when you copy something from ChatGPT into this, it notices. So all you gotta do is just move it and pop it in the right space. And boom, you have your email. And you just hit perfect timing. But send an email around time people check emails. Make sure you preview and your link works. All right, you knock that out. All right, so there you go with that, and then you send the email, and that's all there is to it, guys. It's done, so finito, and that's all it takes. And you do this every morning, and you start building up income. Because the cool thing about it is that you're getting paid every single month with these sales. So one sale is fantastic. Like, they stay in the system for a while. You know what I mean? People stay in the system. Even people that quit the system don't quit it until like about 5 months in, which is, you know, that's 5 months of payment right there. So every sale is about 5 months of payment, I'd say, on average. Some people stay in it forever, so it is what it is. You get people that stay in it forever. You get enough people that stay in it forever, you got constant passive income. That's the point. And that's the plan, guys. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.